Hey guys, it's Learning Tiger here, and in this HTML tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about comments in HTML. So comments are basically you can put them in the head section right here, or the body section down here. So yeah, what it means is that it ignores. It's basically text that's ignored by the browser. So the syntax for comments are like this. Comment. So you started with the less than, then an exclamation mark, dash dash. There you have it, a comment. Now let's put something. Say data to drive the document. Yeah, this is the comment. So again, syntax. Started with the lesson, then an exclamation mark, dash dash dash. Then you end it with a dash dash greater to. Like in a normal HTML tag, and these two, the less than and the greater than sign has to be included. And then I'll put them down here in the body section, because you can also put it there in the body section. So okay, content to here on the browser. Okay, save this. Let's one more time just in case. Let's run this when we're done debugging. Yeah, I'll choose Chrome. You choose whatever browser you like, but I'll choose Chrome. And there you have it. So, yeah, Hello World, H1 Hello World is right here. So these two are ignored from the browser. Oops. So yeah, these two comments don't appear here at all in the browser. Not as a content. So they are ignored. So yeah, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay. See you.